Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Nitrates are observed at pH below 5, 6, 7, 8. Right answer is 5. Hormones which control apical dominance are axons, cytokinins, gibberellins, polyamines. Right answer is axons. Tetraploid watermelon must be pollinated by plants to produce a seedling. Triploid, aneuploid, diploid, tetraploid. Right answer is triploid. Which vegetable cannot be grown as an off-season vegetable? Tomato, potato, chilies, cucumber. Right answer is potato. Lower temperature than normal convert male flowers into perfect flowers in jade palm, mango, papaya, citrus. Right answer is papaya. Tomato is a crop, self-pollinated, insect-pollinated, often cross-pollinated, wind-pollinated. Right answer is self-pollinated. Turmeric is propagated by corms, seed, rhizome, bulb. Right answer is rhizome. Sweet potato is propagated by stem cuttings, tubers, roots. A and B. Right answer is A and B. Self-pollination is a form of inbreeding, outbreeding, random mating. None of these. Right answer is inbreeding. Cross-pollination is associated with cleistogamy, chazogamy, dichogamy, apogamy. Right answer is chasmogamy. Completion of pollination and fertilization in unopened flower bud is termed as chasmogamy, apogamy, cleistogamy, dichogamy. Right answer is cleistogamy. Maturation of anthers and stigma at the same time refers to homogamy, chasmogamy, cleistogamy, dichogamy. Right answer is homogamy. Fertilization after opening of flowers refers to cleistogamy, chasmogamy, homogamy, hercogamy. Right answer is chasmogamy. Male sterility promotes autogamy, allogamy, homogamy, chasmogamy. Right answer is chasmogamy. Exposure of seed to lower temperature before germination is termed as scarification, stratification, vernalization. All of above. Stratification is right answer. Imbibed or germinated seeds subjected to cold temperature is termed as scarification, stratification, vernalization, sterilization. Right answer is vernalization. Which of the following vegetable does not require specific low temperature before flowering? Beetroot, cabbage, onion, brinjal. Right answer is brinjal. Edible part of cauliflower is flowers, flower bud, vegetative bud. Inflorescence. Right answer is vegetative bud. Edible portion of cabbage is terminal bud, leaves and inflorescence, all of above. Right answer is leaves. Cole crops are hardy, half hardy, non-hardy, semi-hardy. Right answer is hardy. Which of the following crops has lowest water contents? Cucumber, watermelon, bottle gourd, cauliflower. Right answer is cauliflower. The commercial variety of watermelon is Sugar Baby, White Beauty, White King, Sugary. Right answer is Sugar Baby. Wine F crop of bottle gourd is not stacked during summer season, rainy season, early season, late season. Right answer is summer season. Which one is not the best source of protein? Potatoes, peas, beans, okra. Right answer is potatoes. The cause of hardness in chilies is cucurbitacin, capsaicin, allicin, all of above. Right answer is capsaicin. Which crop is most susceptible to viral infection? Chilies, tomato, onion, brinjal. Right answer is tomato. Which of the following vegetable has dioecious behavior? Onion, cabbage, beetle gourd, spinach. Right answer is beetle gourd. Consecutive use of garlic will reduce the level of cholesterol, sugar, uric acid, none of above. Right answer is cholesterol. Bulb production in onion is dependent upon temperature, soil moisture, day length, all of above. Right answer is day length. Red color of carrot is due to lycopene, carotene, anthocyanin, propionine. Right answer is carotene. Color of carrot roots is affected by soil temperature, soil moisture, soil texture, all of above. Right answer is soil moisture. Radish belongs to family Crucifera, Umbellifera, Leguminaceae, Poaceae. Right answer is Umbellifera. For an early harvest, cucurbits are grown on rocky soils, sandy soils, clay soils, organic soils. Right answer is sandy soils. Tomato fruit is botanically a berry, pome, drupe, hep. Right answer is berry. The portion of axis below the cotyledons in seed is macropyle, hypocotyle, epicotyle, none of above. Right answer is hypocotyle. Which type of flower cannot produce seeds and or fruit? Pistillate, perfect, hermaphrodite, staminate. Staminate is the right answer. Degeneration of above ground parts in ginger is due to senescence, maturity, partial senescence, over ripening. Right answer is senescence. In spinach, pollination takes place by means of water, insects, birds, wind. Right answer is wind. Tender crop cannot tolerate a minimum temperature of -2 degrees centigrade, -1 degree centigrade, 0 centigrade, all if above. Right answer is all if above. Optimum temperature for cool season vegetable is 25 to 30 centigrade, 25 to 27 centigrade, 18 to 24 centigrade, 15 to 20 centigrade. Right answer is 18 to 24 centigrade. Which one is not an appropriate approach to control frost? Avoidance, reduction of heat loss, addition of heat, transmittance of control. Right answer is avoidance. Tomato, chilies, and brinjal are crop types. Cold crops, fruit crops, solanaceous crops, summer crops. Right answer is solanaceous crops. Color development in tomato fruit is due to lycopene, carotenoid, polypropylene, all of above. Right answer is lycopene. Cucurbits consumed at immature stage are grouped under summer squashes, winter squashes, gourds, pumpkins. Right answer is gourds. Almost are dioecious with respect to flower. Summer, winter, both of these, none of these. Right answer is none of these. Term vineyard is used for grape plantation, citrus plantation, mango plantation, none of these. Right answer is grape plantation. Term viticulture is used for grape cultivation, citrus cultivation, mango cultivation, none of these. Grape cultivation. Home gardening deals with vegetable production for home consumption, for local market, at commercial level. All of these. Right answer is home consumption. Truck gardening means vegetable production for distant places, industry, local market, none of these. Right answer is distant places. Tip burn of lettuce occur at high air temperature when the soil is cool, dry, hot, wet. Right answer is cool.